Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little extra cash to tide you over until your next payday? Maybe an unexpected bill popped up, or you just wanted to treat yourself without derailing your budget. If you've ever used a service like Beforepay, you know how convenient it can be to get an advance on your wages. But here's a question that often comes up: just how many of these advances, or orders, can you actually have at one time? It's a common misconception that you can just keep stacking up advances on Beforepay. While the service is designed to be flexible, it also has safeguards in place to promote responsible borrowing and prevent users from getting into a cycle of debt. So, let's clear this up right away. You can generally only have one active Beforepay order at a time. That's right, just one. This isn't because Beforepay wants to limit your access to funds, but rather to ensure that you're using the service sustainably. Imagine if you could have multiple advances running simultaneously. It would be incredibly easy to lose track of your repayments, and you could quickly find yourself owing a significant amount of money that's difficult to pay back when your payday finally arrives. Beforepay's model is built on helping you manage your short-term cash flow, not on encouraging long-term debt. Think of it this way: Beforepay provides an advance on your next paycheck. When that paycheck lands, the advance is automatically deducted. If you had multiple advances out, Beforepay wouldn't be able to effectively deduct all of them from a single income stream, potentially leaving you with insufficient funds for your regular expenses. So, how does it work in practice? Let's say you request and receive a $100 advance on a Monday. This $100 is now your active order. You cannot request another advance until that $100 is repaid. Repayment typically happens automatically when your next salary deposit hits your bank account, which Beforepay monitors. Once that deduction is complete, your account is clear, and you become eligible to request another advance, provided you meet the other eligibility criteria. These criteria usually include having a consistent income, a good repayment history with Beforepay, and your bank account being linked. Beforepay also assesses your spending habits and income stability to determine your eligibility for an advance and the maximum amount you can borrow. It's a dynamic system, and while the one active order rule is pretty standard, the specific amount you can access might vary based on these individual factors. The beauty of Beforepay lies in its simplicity and its focus on short-term relief. It's designed to bridge those gaps between paydays, not to be a continuous line of credit. By limiting users to one active order, Beforepay encourages mindful financial planning and helps prevent over-reliance on advances. It's about getting you through a pinch, then allowing you to reset and be ready for your next financial cycle. This approach ultimately benefits you, the user, by promoting healthier financial habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.